Welcome to Becoming a Scratch Master. Today we're going to start creating a racing game, and this is what it'll look like by the end of this episode. Let's get started. On the Scratch website, make a new project. Let's start with adding a background. You can do this two ways. The first way is to open a new tab and search for grass texture or asphalt texture. Right-click on the image you want and select Save Image As, then press Save. Then go to Scratch and select Upload Backdrop and select the file you saved. The second way to do this is to search up my username, GeekAsteroid, on Scratch and select the template project. Click See Inside. After that, just drag the costumes you like into the backpack on the bottom and place them in your project. Do the same thing for a car sprite and a road sprite. Great, now that we have our sprites, we can start coding. Let's code the car to move left and right. Use the same code we did in the maze game, but for the X direction. Feel free to pause the video at any time to copy down the code. To make the car move forward, if we just coded it the same way we did in the maze, it would hit the end of the screen. Instead of making the car go up, we can make the road go down. This makes it look as if the car were moving forward. Let's start by positioning the road at the middle of the screen. Make a forever loop and make the road go to the middle at the start of the script. Then make a following script inside. If key up arrow pressed, change Y by -15. This makes the road go down, but we also need it to come back to the top. So add a new line of code inside the forever loop. If Y position is less than -335, then go back up to x0, y340. This code says that when the road reaches the bottom of the screen, go back up to the top. If you run the project, you'll notice a big gap in between. To fix that, duplicate the road sprite by right-clicking it, then change the first block from x0, y0 to x0, y340. This makes the second road sprite go to the top of the screen at the start of the game, waiting for the first road to move down so that it can take its spot. If you test the project now, where'd the car... If you notice that the road has gotten on top of the car sprite, go to the car sprite and from Looks, click on the Go to Front Layer block. If you run the project now, it flows seamlessly. The only problem is that it doesn't accelerate or come to a stop slowly. Like and subscribe for part 2, where we'll add that and a few other things. Until next time, GeekAsteroid out.